Now watch out for that other log beside. Don't get too much paint on it. Yeah, hold it up and shake it. Don't be fake, do that. Get back to work.
Hey, we changed our mind. We don't want that branch down.
Change your mind? You don't want that branch down?
That's right. We'll
Good luck getting it back up there.
Glue it back.
Use the force. Use the force.
Good luck.
Okay, go around the edges again. Get your second coat.
Maybe offer some moral support, but that's about it.
I hate it when you hear everybody cut down a tree and you hear crash.
Yeah, especially since the part that was cut off.
It's like the two things part afterwards. There's two times you don't want to hear.
Just hold it straight up and then shake it. Okay, turn it.
Yeah.
Now that's a bad time for me to make
Yes?
like with mine.
Hit your foot.
Now move your thing. Ta-da!
I remember to say to Shay.